which we need to create. So, okay, right click, um, question 6a. We can enter there. Okay. Use the mailmerge function to create a data file using the information in the table below. Okay. So as you can see, these are data information. There we have fields, there we have letters, three letters, and then the fields. Regarding data and using mail merge, the fields names needs to be on top, and then the particular letter or so forth need to be on the side. Okay, so let's go. So let's see. Fields. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So we need to insert a table. So we go to insert table. We need 7 columns with how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 rows. Okay, then we can start. As you can see, the top, which is the fields, is in capital letters. Fields, um, title, title, initials, and surname, venue, town, province, and time. Né? So now we're going to have our fields, which is letter 1, letter 2, letter 3. Okay, the titles, which is Mr. Mr. Then Mr. Initials, we have a window. So I'm just using the down arrow to fill in these um, data. Is cool. Okay, that one is right. The venues, slew, Amanzam Toti. Towns. Okay, so there we see examination number. So here you need to type in your particular examination number, né, which is 13 digits. Okay. So Johannesburg, and then Durban province, Eastern Cape, then, and then the question, which is in capital letters, 6A. So with this, usually they don't ask you for a header that you need to insert because the information that's usually in your header is in the data sheet. Let's just identify the time, 30. Okay, so like this, when you repeat something, you can just copy and paste. So I'm using a shortcut. Save the document as question 6A and make a printout in landscape format. So we can make this document a bit bigger. We go to our preferences, our layouts, orientation, landscape to resize the particular document so that it looks like a data table. We can just move it to the side of it. Okay, so this, which is a title, it can be a bit smaller, and then we can move it up top. So this is now your data table, which you're going to print in landscape format. Okay, you just double check if everything is correct, everything is right, is in alignment. So I've noticed that this needs to be centered and is also bold. Let's just have a look. It's bold and the letters is also bold. It's also bold. Okay. Okay, left, right aligned, everything's in order. Leave up. Okay, so now we have our question 6a. Now you can print this particular document. I'm just going to save it as well. Remember, you should also save each question that you finished. Yes. Now you can create a new document. How do we create a new document? We press Control N. Ne? New document. But and then you set it to default. Ne? The default, which is 0. As you can see, clear. Okay. Now we need to insert the mail merge. Ne? The mail merge, which is select, going to do letters. We use existing document that we've just created now, which was stored in your student drive. 6a, open. Okay, maybe it's because it's still open. Okay. Remember, you first need to close it. Stop video. Okay, there's my data source. Open. So now it's still loading. Okay, at times that happens. So it says the document is open. I'm just going to close all the Word documents that I have open on my side. Question 6b. Okay, 6b. Use the mail merge function to prepare the letters to the Premier. Use career new 12 PT. Okay, so this is us starting basically. So we need to use career new, no? And then 12. Okay. Default, set default spacing to 0. Okay. So as a header, key in your examination number on the left and question 6b on the right. Ensure that you use the same font type and size as the rest of the particular document. So head number and then question 6b on the right. Insert the following heading in Broadway PT, capital letters and centered. No? So let's change the font. Okay. Let's first type stay home. Stay safe. Remember we had to change the font to Broadway. Broadway. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 18. Ne? Okay, going back to our normal font. Korean new. And then 12. Okay. Insert the fields, né, by the brackets, e.g. province. So now you can do your mail merging. How do we do our mail merging? We say mails, insert, letters, use existing. Wherever you saved your data um, file, which is question 6a, you just open that particular document. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna rename it. Né? Copy. So that word not identified, it's already been used somewhere else, which I don't know where. Desktop, video, mail merge. I'm gonna use the copy one. Okay, there it works. So now you can see there's your field names. Né? Title, initial, surname, venue, town, province, and so forth. Okay, let's just have a look. Something. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we only need that information. So stay safe and so forth. Um, so you would type the information just now, but I've already typed it. Just gonna retrieve it basically. Copy. And then I'm gonna paste it in this particular document. Okay, paste. No? Okay. So as you can see on our question paper, no? On our question paper that we had to use the tab stop. No? 5,08 from left hand to the margin. So we can just highlight these text. Home, we go to paragraph, launch menu, we go to tabs. So the centimeters that you need to use is 0,8. We just press OK and we press tab once and it's gonna go 5,0 centimeters. The other instruction that you add is to type in today's date. So I'm doing this on the 13th of the 10th month 2024. Now they want us to 2024. Yes, enter. Just going to delete that because that's a double spacing. Yeah. So here you're going to insert basically the fields. So we go to mailings, insert fields. What one are you looking for? Province. Remember there needs to be a space between these fields. Okay, we are looking for town. Title. Space. So we are replacing these fields. So when you are typing, you can also just insert it while you're typing and you will also save you time. Remember that is your double line spacing Just gonna enter these fields here, venue, space, town, and then the province, space, and then we have time on the side. Do not select the full stop, means you're gonna get the wrong there by for accuracy. If you were to remove the full stop, so we've inserted all the fields. Ne? Remember, this one is for spacings, ne? And then you start typing. So you must press enter 4 times, and what I've used here is basically the underscore to draw a line under secretary. There, our document is basically complete. We can preview it. All the letters it's there. All the letters is there. Now the final step in the mail merging process is finish the mail merge. So you don't say just print the documents. You click on edit individual documents, because sometimes they don't ask you to only to print all. They ask you to print maybe only two. Then you select the two that you only need. Okay, so something that we've actually merged in one of the question paper, just don't stay home, is, let me just close that. They stated we need to, let's just have a look on the question. Underline and bold field the names. So we're just gonna highlight, select font, underline, bold. Just gonna double click on it, bold, underline. I'm just gonna select bold. Okay, bold, underline, don't know. Okay. Bold, underline, bold, underline. There's also a shortcut that you can use. Control P usually is for bold. Underline. And then this one for time. It's important to review the document to see if everything is still in order. So right, remember, the space is after the punctuation. Okay? So now we can have a look. Okay, mailings preview. Okay, so the urban is not underlined. Okay, why isn't it underlined? Okay, pulp. Okay, sorted preview. Just underline it. Okay, so the reason why it might not be underlined now is because you haven't selected the full document text. So let's have a look. Title, bold, underline. Just be careful for the semicolon or the colon, the comma. Okay, there we have it underlined. Just click preview and see. Just in case it's still not underlined. Okay, this is preview. Okay, so now I believe everything is underlined. Okay, sorted. Now we can move. Finish, edit documents, all. So now this would usually be your 6C. We have all three or two documents regarding that particular question of mail merging. So here you only change basically the question 6 to C. Then you also save this particular question. Just click to browse, go to your student file, and then you save it as question 6C. It's important to save every time when you are done. You print and you close the document. Save. And there is mail merge for today. You can always leave a comment if you have any questions regarding mail merge.